Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Catalyst, where we highlight and break down bullish sentiment, trends, and technical analysis in the markets. Today we have another crypto update. We are going to be breaking down ADA and Cardano, and a quick little update on Bitcoin as well. Before we get into that, remember I am not a financial advisor and that you should do your own research when making your financial decisions. So we saw Bitcoin run up quite significantly over the last 10 days or so, with about a 30% increase. We were previously bouncing right off of that 40,000 mark, and then we quickly broke this descending wedge, and then we ripped up over the last couple days, and yesterday actually we blasted through the 52-53 mark, and today we're down a little bit. I think this is a healthy retracement. Look to find some support actually on this green line, or potentially off of this previous resistance off of the descending wedge there. So I think it'd be pretty normal for us to actually, we come up, break through, bounce off of this and go up, or we could even break back through it and bounce off of the previous resistance. All of those are pretty likely. If any of those happen, look to get some support down in these areas, or make some purchases down in these areas, potentially load up on some longer positions, or even get it off of the bounce off of this green line. What does this mean for ADA? Well, ADA is currently up 4.5 to 5% this morning. You can see on the daily, we are like so close to a death cross here. Very, very close. It looks like we're going to recover though today, assuming we close above that. We'll close above the 50 EMA there. You also see on the RSI, we're quite low, right at the mid-range here. This is something I pointed out the other day. If you remember, I was pointing out we had some positive uptrends both on the RSI as well on the charts here, where we're creating higher lows, and this is actually playing out to be a higher low now. This is something I pointed out I think 2 days ago, before we had this long candle that we're starting the morning with this morning, and you can see the pump 2 coming from the RSI. Again, expect this to continue to rally with Bitcoin, and I would expect that this is also going to be a point where we start to push back into previous all-time highs. I would actually expect more quickly for us to get into the 250 to 260 range. So something here where you see we've had some previous resistance and support, and then we might test that a bit as we continue to follow this trend line, and that might be our breakout point where we start to test all-time highs, break into the new fib levels, reaching the $3 to $4 range. So just keep an eye on that. Cardano is making some healthy moves. Obviously we ran up a bit too quickly and a bit too aggressively, and with that we have to come back down. But this is the key thing I want to point out. It's just this, we have a very low here, which was probably the best point to buy in. I think I bought in around here, right at the golden cross. We ripped up, we're coming back down now, but we're creating higher lows. So those are going to be healthy for us, and hopefully we can continue to ride the trend there, and get some pretty solid support off of this. So you can see this line here, then we could even place some lines like right about here or so right at the 250 range. So if we continue to kind of bounce off this, look for us to find some resistance up here, but then hopefully, assuming the market continues to go well, we can bounce out of that, and that will get us back up into the range up there. So hopefully this was quick and informative. Otherwise, we will catch you guys tomorrow with another crypto video. Thank you for watching, and peace.